for home cooks looking to maximize counter space while showcasing their culinary skills. This De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill with FlexPress System, model CGH1E20D, is the ideal kitchen appliance. This versatile grill boasts a unique combination of features that cater to a variety of cooking styles, ensuring you can create a diverse range of delicious dishes with ease. Why you should buy the De'Longhi Contact Grill. 5 versatile cooking functions for maximum flexibility. High performance, interchangeable grill and griddle plates. Embedded heating elements for even cooking. Integrated drip tray for healthier meals. Hanging self-adjustable hinge for perfect pressure. Large cooking surface for family-sized meals. Digital control panel with dual temperature settings. Dedicated app for recipes and cooking tips. The De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill stands out due to its FlexPress system, which offers unparalleled versatility. This system allows you to use the appliance in 5 different cooking modes. 1. Contact Grill and Panini Press. 2. Open Full Grill. 3. Open Full Griddle. 4. Half Grill Half Griddle. 5. Waffle Mode with plates purchased separately. These multiple functions eliminate the need for additional appliances, making the De'Longhi Livenza a true space saver. Whether you're grilling juicy steaks, pressing crispy paninis, or cooking up a hearty breakfast of pancakes and bacon, this grill handles it all with finesse. The interchangeable grill and griddle plates are a highlight of the De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill. Designed to deliver high performance, these plates ensure efficient and healthy cooking. The grill plates are perfect for meats and vegetables, giving them that desirable grilled flavor and texture. The griddle plates are ideal for breakfast items and other foods that benefit from a smooth cooking surface. Both sets of plates are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. One of the common issues with traditional grills is the presence of hotspots, which can lead to uneven cooking. The De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill tackles this problem with its embedded heating elements. These elements ensure that heat is distributed evenly across the cooking surface, preventing hotspots and resulting in perfectly cooked food every time. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the integrated drip tray included with the De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill. This tray collects excess grease and oil, reducing the fat content of your food and making your meals healthier. The drip tray is easy to remove and clean, further enhancing the convenience of this appliance. The hanging self-adjustable hinge is another innovative feature of the De'Longhi Livenza. This hinge adjusts to the thickness of your food, ensuring that it cooks evenly without being crushed. Whether you're grilling a thick piece of steak or a delicate sandwich, the hinge provides the perfect amount of pressure, resulting in consistently excellent cooking results. The De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill offers an extra-wide 14.5 by 9-inch cooking surface, which doubles to 14.5 by 18 inches when opened flat. This generous cooking area allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The large surface also means you can cook larger quantities of food, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Ease of use is a key aspect of the De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill. The digital control LED panel features 2 knobs that allow you to set the temperature for each plate independently. This dual temperature control is particularly useful when using the half grill half griddle mode, as it enables you to cook different foods at their optimal temperatures simultaneously. The intuitive controls make it easy to achieve precise cooking results, whether you're a novice or an experienced home chef. To help you get the most out of your grill, De'Longhi offers a dedicated app filled with a variety of cooking tips and recipes. This app transforms any home chef into a professional, providing inspiration and guidance for using the grill to its fullest potential. Whether you're looking for new recipe ideas or need advice on cooking techniques, the app is an invaluable resource. The De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill has garnered positive reviews from users who praise its versatility, ease of use, and performance. Many users appreciate Appliance's ability to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from grilling and griddling to pressing and more. The even cooking provided by the embedded heating elements and the convenience of the removable, dishwasher-safe plates are also frequently highlighted as standout features. Conclusion: the De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Combination Contact Grill and Open Barbecue are a versatile and high-performance appliance that is ideal for home cooks looking to maximize their counter space and culinary capabilities. With its multiple cooking functions, even heating, and user-friendly features, this grill offers an exceptional cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, a hearty dinner, or entertaining guests, the De'Longhi Livenza All-Day Grill is equipped to handle it all, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.